Hi everyone! So I got this racing hitch and tow set from Greenlight, and I got it because I like all the Shell logos. I like the livery for this. So in this series there's actually 3 different sets. I only got hold of this and I haven't gone and searched for the rest yet. Maybe I'll get it, maybe not. If I do, I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna open this up. And this is gonna take a while, so I'll be back soon. Okay, I got it out from its packaging. Took quite a while. Let me take out the hollow. Okay, the whole thing will collapse if I just leave it alone. Let me take out the truck also. Truck is stuck. And lastly, the car. Oh, that was easy. Okay, for those of you who have this set, do not forget there's a little device here, which I'm going to take out. Okay, so I got it out, and this is a adjustable trailer jack for the hauler. So let me just put it in together. Alright, so I just put the adjustable thing here. So this is the hauler. Let's see how to open this back door. There's a little catch here. Can open it and put the car in. So let's try fitting in the car. Right, can fit in with some space left. Okay, so you can close it, click. Yeah, to open it I use my nails a little bit to get it out. Okay, next let's look at the car. Might as well since we have it here. So this is a Ford Mustang, has a Shell livery and a number 21. All of them have number 21s on them, if you can see. Wow, huge Shell logo on the front bonnet. Now I'm just not sure whether these wheels are plastic or rubber tires. I will check it out later. Okay. So this is the back. Does it say Mach 1? If my eyes do not deceive me. I like the lights, like 3 brake lights on each side. Okay, let's look at the truck. Oh, the truck is longer than the car. Heavy duty, quite heavy. Yeah, I guess they all have the same number so they know which car they're supposed to tow or haul around. Also, this truck can actually haul a car, plus can seat. I mean, they can put more stuff here, or can seat more people here. So you can haul everything at one time, or everyone at one time. Okay, let me try putting the car in. Let's see, can it move? Oh, not bad, can move. Oh, nice. I have not tested the car yet. Let me put this back here. Remove the car. It's going crooked. Okay, maybe the wheels are not very good. Oh, there we go. And that's all I have today. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!